Hi, welcome to Graham's Law of Effusion and Diffusion. Remember that Graham's Law is the rate of A over the rate of B equals the square root of the molar mass of B over the molar mass of A. All right, so let's get this going, guys. All right, so now, what is the relative rate of diffusion of NH3 compared to HE? Is NH3 faster or slower than HE? Well, let's take a look at this. All right, so now, what we're going to do is we're going to set this up, and we're going to take rate of H, R of HE over R of NH3 equals the square root of the molar mass of RH3, which is going to be 17.04 divided by the molar mass of helium, which is going to be 4.0. Where did I get that 17.4? Okay, no problem. One nitrogen at 14.01, and then we had three hydrogens at 1.01, and when you do the math, that gives you 17.03 grams per mole. Alright, so anyway, I just wanted to show you that there. So what we're going to do is, to get this, we're going to take 17.04 divided by 4.0. So we get do the square root of 17.04 divided by 4. And I get, interesting. So I'm going to try that number again, because I want to do something here. 17.04 divided by 4.00 gives me 4.26. So square root of 4.26. That's better. So I get, for this, 2.06. So helium is 2.06 times faster. And that makes sense because than NH3, because helium is a much lighter gas than ammonia. All right, now let's look at the second problem here. And let's do this, okay? At STP, how many times will helium diffuse faster than carbon? Well, let's go ahead and look at that here, guys. So when we look at this problem here, one moment, we're going to look at our rates here. So rate of helium. So rate of helium over the rate of carbon dioxide equals square root of the molar mass of carbon dioxide. And I'll show you how to get that 44.01, because people like to know that. I think that's a fair thing to do. So to get carbon dioxide, you go 1 times 12.01, and then oxygen is 2 times 16.00, and this gives you 44.01 grams per mole. Just wanted to show you where that came from. All right, so now we're going to do 44.01 divided by 4 and take the square root of that number. And that's going to give me 3.32. So helium is 3.32 times faster than CO2. And that makes sense because helium is a lighter gas. Alright, well that's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Mucine Chemistry.